Hey there! Exams are just around the corner. Are you feeling the pressure? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today's video is all about conquering your exams with proven strategies. Let's dive right in. First up, time management. Use a planner or digital calendar to map out your study schedule. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks, like 25-minute intervals, and take 5-minute breaks in between. This is the Pomodoro technique, and it works wonders for keeping you focused and fresh. Next, let's talk about revision techniques. Active recall and spaced repetition are your best friends. Instead of passively rereading your notes, quiz yourself or use flashcards. Apps like Anki can help you space out your study sessions so the material sticks better. Now, staying focused. Create a dedicated, clutter-free study space. Keep all distractions away. Yes, that means putting your phone on silent or even in another room. If you struggle with concentration, try using background music or white noise to help you stay on track. Feeling stressed? It's completely normal, but don't let it overwhelm you. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing exercises to calm your mind. Remember, it's all about balance. Don't forget to get enough sleep, exercise, and eat healthily. And here's a bonus tip. Join a study group or find a study buddy. Explaining concepts to others can reinforce your understanding and make studying more interactive and fun. You've got this. Believe in yourself, stick to these strategies, and you'll be ready to crush those exams. Good luck, and remember, hard work always pays off. Go out there and show those exams who's boss. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.